Hi Shane and anyone else watching this video from Intense Remodel. I'm Wynn from Digital Energy Web Services, and I'm seeing this video that I promised you I would send you so you can get more business. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your website to be discovered more on Google, bring in more business, and create more revenue. So I loved your website, by the way, Shane. Very modern, very responsive. I can tell you've had it professionally done. I believe it was actually done by Internet Marketing Group down at the bottom. I was kind of surprised at a few things. First of all, your site isn't secure, so you definitely need to get that SSL certified. It just doesn't look good to people that come to visit your website. It doesn't look trustworthy. Another thing is that with Google, content is king, and you want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 keywords on your website. You only have 352, so you definitely need to boost that if you're going to get ranked on Google better. Another thing we're going to go look at is, this is Ahrefs. It is a program that I use. It is quite pricey, but it's great because it really shows me a lot about people's websites. So the first thing that we're going to look at here that I see is your trust with Google. I'm not sure how long you've been at the marketing group, because a lot of times these things do take time, but I would definitely like to see these numbers a lot higher. You also want them to be as close together as they possibly can be. The UR is your home page, and then the DR is your overall site with Google. So you definitely want to have those as close together as possible. It's called the golden ratio. I would also like to see a lot more referring domains with backlinks. And of course, backlinks is just where you have a link to your site from another site that has authority with Google, and then they pass on some of their power over to your website. So I would definitely like to see a lot more of those. This is going to be one of your competitors. I think that I put in Home Remodel in Chandler, Arizona. So they have also had their site professionally done. It is a little bit busier than I would personally like, but hey, it is getting them ranked on Google, and that's the most important part. So whatever works. And here's what I was talking about with content. So they have over 3,000 words of content on their homepage. Now, this is their site on Ahrefs. Give me just a moment. Great. So they're doing pretty well. They have 31 referring domains with 89 backlinks. They're probably not great backlinks though, because these numbers aren't very close together at all. But they are being found for 26 keywords. So in the content that we were talking about, you really want to have keywords that people actually search for, that are specific locations, like Arizona home improvements. Let's see here. If you can get yourself on one or two of one of these different search terms, then you're going to see a lot more business. So I would definitely like to see that. All right, so now let me see here. Oh, and then the last thing that I wanted to talk to you about is citations. And citation is just your name, address, and phone number at different directories all over the web, like Super Yellow Pages and Yelp. Construction directories are also great too. And that's really going to help with your Google Map Pack or your Google My Business, which was one of the easiest ways to get found on the first page of Google. So we've talked about content and keywords, backlinks, and citations. Now, either you can take this information that I've given you and give it to your marketing company. You can do it yourself, or you can direct message me and we can chat, or then we can have a phone call. Maybe build up some trust and see if we're a good fit for each other. Because I feel like I could really take what you have already and really get you up there on Google and get you more business. So I'm Wynn Baxter, and I look forward to hearing what you think about the video. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.